In this video, we are going to show you how to install a Swanstone shower floor. This video is applicable to all square, rectangular, or neo-angled shower floors. We do recommend that only a professional and licensed plumbing contractor should install a Swanstone shower floor. Before you begin, refer to the installation manual and care instructions for important safety guidelines. You will need the following tools to install your Swanstone shower floor: a hammer, measuring tape, mortar, a level, a pencil, drill, and drywall screws. The key to a good shower floor installation is proper fit within the stud wall framework. Plan ahead to ensure that the stud wall is correctly sized and plumb and square. First, measure the actual shower floor. Add 3/8 inch to the width dimension and at least 3/16 of an inch or more to the depth measurement of the shower floor to correctly size the framework opening. When the framework is completed, you are now ready to begin installation of your shower floor itself. Place the shower floor into the rough opening. Make sure the drain hole is properly located. The recommended size of the hole in the floor for the drain pipe is approximately 6 inches in diameter. Refer to the drain opening rough-in dimensions chart in the instruction manual for more information. Level the shower floor in both directions. All support ribs and front edge of the shower floor must make firm contact with the subfloor. If any part of the shower floor is not completely supported, you will need to create support under the base. Place a 1/2 inch thick slurry of fast-drying cement or mortar on the floor. Mix enough material to cover the area under the shower floor. This will ensure complete contact and support by the existing subfloor, eliminating shower floor flex during normal use. Taper the mortar to a 1/4 inch thick around the floor drain. Next, place the shower floor into the rough opening and firmly press it into the mortar. The exposed front edge of the shower floor should contact the subfloor. Next, level the shower floor in both directions and allow mortar to cure for 24 hours. After the floor installation is complete, install 1/2 inch green board. The ideal installation results when the outside surface of the wall board and shower floor flange are flush. To prevent possible water damage to the wall, the green board must have a 1/2 inch gap above the shower floor flange. Now, with the shower floor installed, you are ready to install your Swanstone, Veritech, or high gloss walls to finish your shower enclosure. For more information on installation or cleaning tips, visit swanstone.com.